Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial of Plaxis. So today we're gonna talk about error 205, which is error in call to Picos, which is the solver of Plaxis. But before I start, if you're into civil engineering and you love learning, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will be a great help for you. So what is this error? It's not a really common error, but it can happen. It's an error with the solver of Plaxis, which is due to not enough memory in the PC. You should install more RAM in your computer. So if you have a small capacity computer like an i3 or an old computer, you'll probably get this error. I can advise you to use a old version of Plaxis, maybe the 8.21, but you can't use the 2020 version and draw a big structure on Plaxis. Or you can try the 2D version of Plaxis, which is a little bit better. I'm talking in memory, than the Plaxis 3D. If no, you should get a stronger computer or a bigger one. So if you have any question about anything in Plaxis, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will help you. Thanks for watching.